Hello, Oklahoma. It's 75, feels like 75, dew point 64. Winds from the south-southwest at 14. Rainfall is 0 today. Humidity 73. Wind gust 21. Pressure is 29.77 inches. Here's the latest watches, warning, advisories. Let's take a look at current radar. Radar shows no precipitation. Take a look at the air temperature. 70s. Okay, here's the national air temperatures. You can see all the blue to the north and west. Currently in the 70s. Okay, here's the humidity map for Oklahoma. Let's take a look at the dew point temperatures throughout the state. Take a look at the bigger map. Dew point for the United States, national map. We're in the 60s. Here's the humidity, 70s for the national. Okay, well, let's look at the current watches and warnings and advisories. Fire warning to the northeast. All this pinkish purple indicator. Here's some wind advisory. Heat. Here's your flood advisory. Is that freeze? Okay, that's what we want to look at. Severe weather outlook Friday, April 17, 2025. Anybody in the orange got enhanced risk of severe weather. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Bosville, Ponca, Ena, Oklahoma City. Watch out, you can see enhanced severe weather today. Yellow indicates the secondary concern area, and green is the third area of concern for storms development. You can see large hail, strong winds, even isolated tornadoes in all of these areas. So we'll take a look at the south of fast. Norman, Ada, McAllister, Lawton, Wichita. You're in a slight risk area. You can see strong winds, large hail, isolated tornadoes too. But the bullseye is in the orange. That's where the main area of concern for development is in the secondary. Saturday, looking good. All the severe weather and stuff shifts to away from us. We just have chances of thunderstorms to the southeast, into Texas and southeast Oklahoma. No weather, severe weather. Okay, here's the tornado risk map. This way you want to look at. The brown is the highest risk, green secondary. 2 to 4% in the green, 5 to 9% in the brown. Chance of tornadoes. So it's very, very low today. That's what I was mentioned earlier. So if you're in these areas, you can see it. You can have a chance of a tornado, very slight chance in the higher chance in the brown, and less chance in the green. Severe hail outlook for Friday, 17/2026. Anybody in the red? Um, see the greatest chance of hail, yellow secondary, and the brown is a third area of concern. Brown is 5 to 14%, 10 to 29% for yellow, and 30 to 44% in the red. Chance of seeing the damaging hail. We sit back, take another look at this. So if you live around Eden, Pumpkin City, watch out. You got the greatest chance for the hail. Stillwater in yellow. Severe winds outlook Friday, April 17, 2026. The greatest is in Kansas. Second is pretty much north of Oklahoma. Pocket Cities, Enid, Stillwater, Tulsa, Roswell. You can see the largest hail. Um, Here's the percent scale to the bottom right. 5 to 14, brown. 15 to 29, yellow. Oklahoma City, Norman, Muskogee, Ada, Lawton, Armour, you're all in the yellow. Saturday outlook, it's pretty much zero on tornado. Saturday outlook for the hail, wind, all zero. Here's a wider map, wider view of what's going on. The orange, pretty much enhanced area goes pretty far up the country. There's a large area going to be affected by enhanced severe weather today. Also, the yellow slight risk area stretches pretty far up across the country. It's like a big bullseye in the middle of the country. Just like the other day. Orange represents the highest risk, yellow secondary, and dark green is the third area of concern. If you live in the bullseye area right here, especially the orange, you pay attention today. Tomorrow, Saturday, it probably all shifts to the northeast part of the country with a slight risk chance of storms in the yellow. It's right here looks pretty good. It's all to the south and the east. Florida, you can see some chances of showers and thunderstorms. Monday looking really good. Tuesday looks really good. Looks like we get a little break. Wednesday looks good. When it comes to severe weather. Thursday. Okay, well, let's go back to the tornado rest for today. Just a minute. Take a look at that one right here. The brown stretches pretty far up. We got a yellow concentrated area. That's the greatest area right there. Yellow for tornadoes. So if you live in that area. But it's a big area concern for tornadoes today. Right in the middle of the United States. So, yeah, it goes over to Great Lakes. Here's a hell. Got two bullseyes. You can see hail all the way down to New Mexico. Not New Mexico, Mexico. From Mexico all the way up to the Great Lakes. That's a pretty good sized area of concern for damaging hail. Here's the bullseye for wind outlook for damaging severe winds. The pink is the strongest, red is the secondary, yellow is the third area of concern, brown is the least concern area. But it goes all the way down to Old Mexico, all the way up to the Great Lakes. So it's a pretty good sized area of concern for hail. This storm's going to affect quite a few people. It's going to start, it's going to have a cold front that move in, and it's going to get cool. Saturday could be a little cool behind the storms. Here's a little area right there for Saturday. It's Saturday again. That's a hell. 5 to 14%. Here's a little bullseye right there. 5 to 14%. And it looks like pretty much clear. Okay, we take a look at the precipitation. Just what you can expect. You can see it pushes all to the southeast. You can see a line of precipitation across the country. Starting to push out to the sea. All the precipitation pretty much leaves the country right there. Tries to. Okay, we take a look at a couple things real fast. Okay, here's the watches and warnings. Nothing right now. Here's some more maps. Here's the pressure, sea level, 3-hour sea level pressure change. Sea level pressure. 3 hours sea level change. Here's national. We'll look at today's solar radiation at the time of the recording. Okay, here's the satellite imagery from space. Oklahoma, visible satellite. You can see some clouds over. Here's regional. Here's national satellite. Here's Oklahoma water vapor. Here's regional water vapor satellite. Here's the national water vapor satellite. Man, it looks like a mess. Here's the infrared stuff for Oklahoma. Regional infrared. National infrared. You're watching weather advisories. We take a look at the radar. That's at the time of the recording. Here's the current conditions. wind from the south at 12 miles per hour, bringing us up to 19. Here's the forecast for the next few days. Friday, high 82, rain showers likely, severe weather, 60% chance of rain, winds from the south 20 miles per hour. Tonight, 44 with 90% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms, winds from the south and 20 to 23 miles per hour. Saturday, highs of 66, mostly sunny, wind from the north 13 to 16 miles per hour. Saturday night, low 39, clear, wind from the southwest 3 to 10 miles per hour. High 75, sunny, wind from the southwest 3 miles per hour. Sunday night, low 48, mostly clear, wind from the south 7 miles per hour. Monday, high 75, partly sunny, winds from the south 7 to 15 miles per hour. Monday night, low 51, mostly cloudy, winds from the south 9 to 13 miles per hour. Here's your watch your warning and advisory again. Here's your current conditions again. That's what it's still saying. Time is 1 to 3 a.m. You can see a low chance of tornadoes. You can see softball-sized hail. Winds up to 70 plus, 70 to 80 miles per hour. Tornado potential map is showing here in brown. It's the greatest area. Green is the second area. There's like the severe risk map. Orange is enhanced. Yellow is second slight chance. Green is chance of thunderstorms. Moderate chance of thunderstorms. Anybody like be Stillwater, Pocket City, be under the enhanced. Ada, Armour, Wichita, Lawton. All y'all guys gonna be under the slight risk. Keep on checking in with the weather throughout the day for the news information. Make sure you know where to go and what to do in the event of emergency or tornado warning, and let each other know which shelter you're going to. Don't forget to grab your grab bag with all your snacks and stuff for the kids, and your radio, flashlight, and batteries, and all your other emergency supplies. Make sure you keep updated with the local news and weather reports throughout the day.